Hello, La Joya ISD and our community. We hope that you joined us on the curriculum nights. These were incredible opportunities for families to come into school and learn about some key things that are going on in La Joya ISD this year. Number one, our new strategic plan. You had an opportunity at these curriculum nights to really understand what the strategic plan is about, the priorities that we're pursuing, and the goals that will measure our success against each of those priorities.
We're excited today here at IGMS because we are having our first curriculum night today. We are sharing very important information with our parents, including our strategic plan and also the portraits of a graduate. What should our graduates look like when they leave La Joya ISD? So again, we're excited with all our parents that we have here at Garcia Middle School. So we've had a great turnout, and again, we're getting all our parents' feedback as well on how else we can help their children in order for us to be successful. Working with them together is the only way we can make it happen.
During these curriculum nights, we got to talk about our new strategic plan. But these curriculum nights were also a way to start living our strategic plan, all about priority 4 of community unity, trust, and partnership. By working together, we can better ensure our students are getting what they need. And you got to hear about excellence in leadership and how we're building out that portrait of a principal to really articulate what it means to be a great leader in La Joya ISD. And all of that comes down to our 2 priorities, which are directly about our students: empowered graduates and thriving students. That's the academic work and the whole enrichment experience that we provide in La Joya ISD to help make sure your students get the excellent experience that they deserve.
Tonight we hosted our curriculum night at Jimmy Carter Early College High School. We're super excited to welcome all of our parents. They were engaged, talking to our teachers, learning about our portrait of the graduate, learning about our district priorities. So having our parents here tonight opens that door of communication between the school and community, because we understand that it is a partnership as we work together both at school and at home to ensure that our students succeed.
We're super excited to have our parents arriving and participating in our curriculum night. What it is an introduction and an invitation to create partnerships with our parents. We want them to know about our activities, our curriculum, and our transparency of all the things that we do here at the school. We encourage more participation from our parents because it's only with them that we can accomplish our academic goals. Opportunities like this are perfect to educate the community and our parents on the strategic plan that La Joya ISD has in place. Our superintendent has created this with 5 guiding principles that we will use while we talk to our parents today and educate them. Tonight is really important because it also raises awareness on how important attendance is, that each and every student is important every single day.
On behalf of all of us in La Joya ISD administration, we're so grateful for you coming out to these curriculum nights, and to all of our principals, support staff, teachers, everybody who made this possible. Thank you for continuing to invest in our students and in our community. And to students, you put on some amazing performances at these curriculum nights. So thank you for continuing to show your talent with La Joya ISD.